The second sum. What is the second sum? Minus root 3 plus 3i the whole power 31. Minus root 3 plus 3i the whole power 31. Let us consider within the bracket value minus root 3 plus 3i. Alright. First we write it. Polar form. So r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. We need the value of r and theta. So first we find r and alpha. We know that the formula r is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Now r is equal to square root of x square is. Here x squared is minus root 3 square plus y squared is here 3 square which is equal to square root of minus square is plus root 3 square is square and root get cancelled. Minus square is plus root 3 square is 3. So plus 3 plus 3 square is 9 which is equal to square root of 9 plus 3 is 12. So r is equal to square root of 12. It can be written as 4 into 3. So r is equal to split at the root 4 square root of 4 into square root of 3. R is equal to square root of 4 is 2. So 2 into root 3. R is equal to 2 root 3. Finally we got R is equal to 2 root 3. And find the value of alpha. Alpha equal to, we know that the formula tan inverse of modulus y by x. Tan inverse of modulus y by x. What is y here? 3. And what is x here? Minus root 3. Now, write it. Alpha equal to tan inverse of modulus y is 3 by x is minus root 3 which is equal to tan inverse of modulus 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by minus root 3. Here root 3 get cancelled which is equal to tan inverse of modulus minus root 3. Modulus of minus root 3 is also plus root 3. So tan inverse root 3. See the trigonometric table. See the trigonometric table. Tan inverse root 3 values. Tan inverse root 3 values. Pi by 3. From the trigonometric table, tan inverse root 3 value is pi by 3. So alpha equal to pi by 3. Read a given question carefully. What is the question, Rakana? Minus root 3 plus 3i. So here x is positive, that is x is negative, that is cos value is negative, and y is positive, sin value is positive. Cos negative, sin positive. Cos negative, sin positive. That is lies in the which quadrant, Rakana? Now see the Argand diagram. Cos negative, sin positive. So it is lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant theta values pi minus alpha. So minus root 3 plus 3i lies in second quadrant. Therefore theta equal to pi minus alpha. Theta equal to pi minus alpha values pi by 3. Theta equal to, take it LCM. 3 into pi is 3 pi minus pi whole divided by 3. So theta equal to 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi. So 2 pi by 3. Theta equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay, we found the value of r and theta. This value substituted in the given question. What is the given question? Minus root 3 plus 3i, which is equal to, here exists whole power 31. First, write within the bracket, we write it r is 2 root 3 into cos of theta is 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3, which is equal to 2 into root 3 cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Write it as usual. Here take it as minus root 3 plus 3i whole power 31. So right hand side is also take it as whole power 31. Cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 the whole power 31. 2 root 3 into cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 the whole power 31. The whole power write in separate. 2 into root 3 the whole power 31 into cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 the whole power 31, which is equal to, here root 3 can be written as 3 power 1 by 2 into 31 exists. There is no cancelling term. So we write it as usual, 2 into root 3 the whole power 31. If it cancelling means cancel it. Into cos, apply de Moivre rule, 31 into 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 31 into 2 pi by 3, which is equal to 2 into root 3 the whole power 31. 31 into 2 is cos 62 pi by 3 plus I sin 62 pi by 3. Here 62 pi by 3 can be splitted into, cos of 62 pi by 3 can be split into 20 pi plus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 20 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Take it LCM. 3 into 20 is 60. 60 pi plus 2 pi is 62 pi by 3. You understand, Rama? Now, next we found the value of cos 20 pi plus 2 pi by 3. That is cos of 20 pi plus theta value. Cos of 20 pi plus theta value. Now, see the Argand diagram. First, find the value of 20 pi. 20 into pi is 180, which is equal to 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 8 into 0, 0. 8 into 2, 16. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 2, 2. 0, 0, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3600 exist. 20 pi value is 3600. Now, from the Argand diagram, 1 around is 360 degree. Similarly, for 10 around is 3600 degree. Got to understand? 10 times around this Argand diagram, we get 3600 degree plus theta is what? Okay. Here 3600 is 10 times around. We got the first quadrant. So first quadrant plus theta is, Here cos of 20 pi plus theta. Here 20 pi exists. So cos of 20 pi plus theta is cos positive sin positive. So cos theta sin theta. Got you understand, Rama? Now see. 2 into root 3 the whole power 31 cos 120 pi plus theta is cos theta. Theta is here 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 which is equal to 2 into root 3 the whole power 31 into cos 2 pi by 3 values. First find the value of 2 pi by 3. 2 into pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree. So 2 into 60 degree is 120 degree. So 120 degree lies in which quadrant akana? Second quadrant. Second quadrant cos value is negative, sin value is positive. Okay. So now cos 2 pi by 3 values. Cos 2 pi by 3 values. First find the value of cos pi by 3. See the trigonometric table. Cos pi by 3 values 1 by 2. Sin pi by 3 values root 3 by 2. Okay. Listen it carefully. Cos pi by 3 values 1 by 2. Sin pi by 3 values root 3 by 2. Now cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3 lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos values negative. Here pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So cos 2 by pi 3 is minus 1 by 2. Did you understand, Rama? Cos pi by 3 lies in first quadrant. So write it plus 1 by 2. Cos 2 pi by 3 lies in second quadrant. So write it minus 1 by 2. And then similarly for sin 2 pi by 3. Sin 2 pi by 3 which is equal to sin pi by 3 is plus root 3 by 2. The second quadrant sin 2 pi by 3 value is also positive. So write it as usual root 3 by 2. Cos 2 pi by 3 values minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 values root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2. Hence the result. What is LHS takana? Minus root 3 plus 3i the whole power 31 which is equal to 2 into root 3 the whole power 31 into minus 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2. Okay. Once again see, we found the value of minus root 3 plus 3i, that is which is in the form of polar form. R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Found the value of R and theta substituted in polar form. Then given question taking the whole power 31. So right hand side is also take it 31 whole power 31 and write it separate power. Then apply the de Moivre rule. The whole power bring it inside the bracket and then multiple this 62 pi by 3 exist. 62 pi by 3 exist. This 62 pi by 3 can be splitted into 20 pi plus 2 pi by 3. 20 pi plus 2 pi by 3. And see the Argand diagram. We know that 20 cos of 20 pi plus theta values cos theta. Sin 20 pi plus theta values sin theta. So write it. This value is cos 2 pi by 3 and this value is sin 2 pi by 3. 2 into root 3 the whole power 31 into cos 2 pi by 3 values minus 1 by 2 plus I into sin 2 pi by 3 values root 3 by 2. Finally, we go the answer 2 into root 3 the whole power 31 into minus 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2.